teeth.
I got it on tape.
They're like, no, you don't bite me.
This is hilarious.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
You're gonna run your battery down.
No, I'm not. It still has 3 bars. Get him back. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to. He looked at me.
Well, we got our new computers. We've been playing with that.
So you got a Dell?
Yeah. It's the media center. You can hook it up to your computer into your TV and watch it.
Do what?
We didn't get the connection, but you can get a connection that hooks it up to your TV and you watch TV on the computer. Yeah, or use the computer on the TV. Get back in there.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
We saw